To recover your Rocket Money subscription management, follow these simple steps. First, ensure you have access to the email address associated with your Rocket Money account. If you are unable to recall your password, go to the Rocket Money login page and click on the Forgot Password option. Enter your email address and follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you have regained access to your account, navigate to the Subscription Management section. This is usually found in the Settings or Account menu. Here, you will be able to view all of your current subscriptions, including the status and next billing date. If you are having trouble finding a specific subscription, use the search function to filter by name or category. You can also sort your subscriptions by date or amount to help you quickly identify the one you are looking for. To cancel or modify a subscription, click on the three dots next to the subscription name and select the appropriate option. Be sure to review the cancellation or modification terms before confirming, as some subscriptions may have penalties or restrictions. It is also a good idea to regularly review your subscriptions to ensure you are not being charged for services you no longer use. Rocket Money allows you to track and manage all of your subscriptions in one place, making it easy to stay on top of your expenses. By following these steps, you can easily recover and manage your Rocket Money subscriptions. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and monitor your subscriptions regularly to avoid unnecessary charges. This will help you stay in control of your finances and make the most of your Rocket Money subscription management.